25 Genius Money Saving Hacks. Every American needs to know: save $1,000 per month. Ever feel like your paycheck disappears too quickly? What if you could save up to $1,000 every single month with just a few changes in your habits? In this video, I'll show you 25 real and effective money saving hacks used by everyday people across the United States, from Dallas, Texas to Portland, Oregon. Hack number 18 will blow your mind, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video for more simple, powerful personal finance tips made for people just like you living in the US. Let's get you saving smarter, not harder. Section 1. Cut everyday expenses. 1. Use grocery rebate apps. Apps like Ibotta, Fetch, and Rakuten give you cash back on groceries. Sarah from Dallas, TX saves around $60 a month using Ibotta. Simply scan your receipts, and your cash adds up fast. 2. Always shop with a list. Americans spend an average of $200 more each month on impulse grocery purchases. Use free apps like Out of Milk to create and stick to a grocery list. 3. Switch to generic brands. Most generic items are made in the same factories as name brands. Mark from Boise, Idaho saved $320 in 1 month by switching to store brands for meds, cereals, and cleaning supplies. 4. Change grocery stores. Discount chains like Aldi and Trader Joe's can offer better prices than big name stores. Shopping around once a month helps spot where to get the best deals. 5. Use gas price apps. Tom from Tampa, FL saves $40 per month using Upside to find the cheapest gas. Other great apps include Gas Buddy and Get Upside. 6. Unplug Vampire Electronics. Devices like routers, TVs, and gaming consoles still use power when off. Use smart power strips to automatically cut power and save money. 7. Switch to LED light bulbs. LED bulbs save up to $75 per year per bulb. Change high-use lights first, like kitchen and hallway bulbs. 8. Negotiate your bills. Call your providers or use services like Rocket Money to lower internet, cable, or phone bills. Dave from Portland, or saved $400 per year by negotiating directly with Comcast. Section 2. Subscription and lifestyle tweaks. 9. Cancel unused subscriptions. Use apps like Trim to track and cancel subscriptions you forgot about. Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and more. 10. Follow the 30-day rule. Avoid impulse purchases by waiting 30 days before buying non-essentials. Most of the time, you won't even want the item later. 11. Plan no-spend weekends. Enjoy your city for free, walk in the park, visit free museums, attend library events, or explore farmers markets. 12. Meal prep every Sunday. Jason from Cleveland, meal preps every Sunday. He saves $1,500 per year just by avoiding weekday takeout. 13. Cancel the gym, go outdoors. Use free fitness apps like Nike Training Club or YouTube videos. City parks and community fitness zones are great for exercise. 14. Buy in bulk, the smart way. Only buy in bulk for non-perishables. Costco and Sam's Club work great if you track prices and share with friends/family. 15. Borrow tools, don't buy. Use Facebook Buy Nothing groups or tool libraries. Ben from Indianapolis, saved $300 borrowing power tools for his home project. 16. Brew your own coffee. Spending $5 per day at Starbucks adds up to $150 per month. Brew at home and use a travel mug. 17. Visit the public library. You can borrow books, stream movies, and take free classes. Libraries today offer way more than just books. 18. Use cash only for fun money. Budget $100 per week for fun and use only cash. This helped Emily from Denver, CO, avoid going into credit card debt. Section 3. Bigger monthly wins. 19. Open a high-yield savings account. Traditional banks offer less than 0.1% interest. Switch to Ally, SoFi, or Discover for 4% plus APY. Earn passive income with no risk. 20. Use cash-back credit cards wisely. If you pay off balances in full, cards like Chase Freedom Flex and Discover It offer 5% cash back on rotating categories. 21. Refinance high-interest loans. John from Phoenix, Oz lowered his car payment from $360 to $230 per month by refinancing with a credit union. 22. House hack, rent out a spare room. Lisa in Chicago, Il rents out her guest room on Airbnb and earns $750 per month. This helps cover half her rent. 23. Use your employer benefits. 401k match equals free money. HSAs and FSAs let you spend tax-free dollars on health and child care. 24. Bundle your insurance. Combine auto and home insurance to save $300 plus a year. Compare offers with apps like Gabi or Policy Genius. 25. Apply for utility rebates. Cities like NYC offer $300 rebates for energy-efficient ACs. Many cities also offer free home energy audits.